Application of Path Goal Leadership Theory and Learning Theory. This article aims to propose a leadership training model that could facilitate learning in an organization. The essence of this theory is that the learning process is undoubtedly one of the main aspects of mastering leadership skills. However, to understand how leaders in an organization can improve their qualities and motivate their subordinates, it was necessary to develop the theory demonstrated in this article. Thus, specific points were put forward on which this model should be based. In this paper, such essential qualities as the desire to learn, the awareness that the working environment is one of the primary sources for learning, and the desire to adopt path goal leadership styles were noted. In addition, an important role is played by the fact that leaders should emphasize the importance of their subordinates, as well as note their strengths. Thus, a learning environment will be created in which everyone will be ready to share information and motivate each other. This article also highlights the path goal theory, which is an addition to the leading theory. First of all, the essence is that for the full implementation of this model, it is necessary that learning leaders are interested in creating a result-oriented learning atmosphere within the organization. Thus, leaders, in this case, should help their subordinates by answering their questions and requirements. Certain types of leadership are used here. Participatory style shows that leaders should encourage their employees in every possible way, thereby encouraging them to communicate and exchange mutually helpful information. Supportive leadership assumes that it is also necessary to provide emotional support to your subordinates. Directive leadership, this model says that leaders should apply specific instructions in their work if employees do not interact well and the necessary atmosphere is not created. In order to improve your leadership qualities, it is necessary to apply this approach in your life. The most important of the points that should be marked is the willingness and ability to learn. Since, due to this very point, there is an understanding of already acquired qualities, analyzing which the necessary changes can be made. In addition, the ability to identify your weaknesses and strengths helps to improve interactions with your subordinates, as they also have an understanding of which way to move in order to improve their abilities. All this indeed correlates with the second point, highlighting subordinate strengths and weaknesses. This is probably one of the most essential aspects that allows gaining the trust of employees. Also, it will undoubtedly help to create an atmosphere in which everyone is ready to accept both praise and criticism. This is a crucial quality, as it contributes to the fastest progress. It should also be noted that it is necessary to study encouraging learning culture across the organization. In fact, the various types of leadership can be applied. The difficulty is that these abilities also need to be studied. Speaking about myself, it is necessary to master such a model as participatory leadership. This approach allows expressing thoughts and ideas openly, which in the long term establishes the closest relationships in the team. Thus, there is undoubtedly a growing desire to interact more productively, as everyone realizes that everyone's ideas will be accepted without any obstacles. We should also highlight such an approach as supportive leadership. Having learned to provide emotional support to their subordinates, leaders can quickly increase their self-confidence, which will increase efficiency. In addition, the support from the leader can serve as a competent key to creating trust between colleagues. This will certainly strengthen the desire of everyone to interact with each other and provide support in learning.